Uway na kisam larang ba ka pentor kera constituency. Kata uba Rocky hek unyang banya khun pyrshah ya UMLA ubadairu umama jongu kata uba AL hek na pentor kera constituency na kaseng NPP. Uba Rocky uladepru ban ino iya kakam na kaseng BJP kaba ubat kum sekretari ka Shillong City.
So well friend, today the 13 May of 2022, I Shri Rocky Hek. I've been tendering my resignation to the state party office, being a general secretary of Shillong City. So from today onwards, I won't be able to take the charge of general secretary. At the same time, not even like a Karyakarta. So actually, my tendering of this resignation is that the leaders of our state, they are not reliable, and moreover, I have been working at party BJP since 2018-19. So I have been working tightly. During COVID, we have helped so many people. During any program, I am the person who uplift the party to that level. So when you walk like a pig, but it doesn't get a recognition, so it really hurts. So sometimes, as you have aware, like so many candidature, aspirant candidature are coming to the North Shillong, but being a Karyakarta, a sole Karyakarta of the party, I doesn't get any recognition. But to those particular person candidate who want to join BJP, they have announcement themselves, they have proclaimed themselves to the people that they have got a ticket. Even 2-3 candidates from the BJP. But I am a person who doesn't lie to the people, because people want me. It doesn't mean that like I'll just go to the people that I'll just lie that the ticket has been given to me. I don't want to lie to the public of the North Shillong, because in North Shillong, all 70% are intellectual. So in that regard, I have been find myself that there's no such place for me. Though I'm a Karyakarta, that maybe later on, if I'm waiting for the ticket, it will be too late for me also. So I have taken the decision, along with the concern with my family members, along with the Darbar Shillong people and the people of the Pratham Constituency, that we have been support by AL since 25 years. We have been from this seat 5 consecutive times. So I think it's a time for him also, like, it's more than enough. So at least we have to be, to change, because this is the trend of 2022. In the era of 2022 we are living. So I would like to request all the voters of the constituency to bring some change. So I don't have any issue with Bahag, but only the thing is that the issue which I have, the development. I cannot see any development. So only that which I want to express to you, media.
Impose a serious fight to a veteran politician.
See, that's it all depend on the mandates of the people. That's the mandate of people. If people want to change, is their concept. So we are the candidate. So maybe 3-4 candidates will be stood in this from this consultancy. So likely, I have a faith on Pramukha consultancy people. Which I've been born and brought up in this consultancy. People know me very well. 80% people know me. So I'm not new in the politics. I've been contested twice in the politics from as an MDC, but I have been defeated by some marginal vote. Not like other candidate just getting 200-300. I've been scoring like